Imagine a world painted in shades of green and brown, a world ruled by creatures of immense size and power. Predators like the mighty Tyrannosaurus Rex instilled fear in all who crossed its path. Yet their reign was not to last. A cataclysmic event brought their world crashing down, leaving behind only scattered bones as silent testimony to their former glory. About 66 million years ago, life on Earth underwent a profound transformation. The dinosaurs, along with many other species, disappeared in the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. This event paved the way for the rise of mammals and the emergence of humankind. The KPG extinction was a global catastrophe, impacting ecosystems worldwide. The most widely accepted theory points to a catastrophic asteroid impact. Evidence is found in a thin layer of iridium in geological strata dating back to the extinction. This iridium layer, known as the KPG boundary, marks the event. The impact of a large asteroid is widely accepted as the most likely cause of the KPG extinction event. Another theory suggests intense volcanic activity in the Deccan Traps region played a significant role. These eruptions released massive amounts of volcanic gases into the atmosphere. Both the asteroid impact and volcanic eruptions likely contributed to the environmental devastation. The KPG extinction event reminds us of the vulnerability of life on Earth to large-scale disasters. Before the KPG extinction event, mammals were relatively small creatures, often nocturnal, living in the shadow of the dinosaurs. The extinction of the dinosaurs created an ecological void, opening up new opportunities for mammals to diversify and evolve. With the dinosaurs gone, mammals were able to exploit new food sources and habitats. They evolved a wide range of adaptations, including specialized teeth for different diets, larger body sizes, and increased intelligence. Over millions of years, mammals radiated into a dazzling array of forms, from the smallest shrews to the largest whales occupying every corner of the planet. The extinction of the dinosaurs was a pivotal event in the history of mammals, paving the way for their rise to dominance. Without the KPG extinction, it is unlikely that mammals would have evolved the diversity and complexity we see today. The story of mammals is a testament to the resilience of life and its ability to adapt and thrive even in the face of adversity. Section 5. A new era begins, the dawn of hominids. The story of humanity begins long after the dinosaurs disappeared, with the emergence of the first hominids, our early ancestors, in Africa. Hominids are distinguished from other primates by their upright posture, bipedal locomotion, and larger brain size. The first hominids appeared in Africa around 6 to 7 million years ago. These early hominids, such as Sahelanthropus and Aurorin, were more ape-like than human, but they possessed the key characteristic that set the stage for our evolution: bipedalism. Walking upright on two legs freed the hands for other tasks, such as carrying food and tools, which would prove crucial in the development of human intelligence and culture. The evolution of hominids was a gradual process, with different species appearing and disappearing over millions of years. Some of the most notable hominid species include Ardipithecus, Australopithecus, and Paranthropus. Each of these species possessed unique adaptations that allowed them to survive in the challenging environments of ancient Africa. Section 6. Out of Africa, the spread of humankind. About 2 million years ago, a new hominid species emerged in Africa, Homo erectus. Homo erectus was taller and more intelligent than its predecessors, with a larger brain and a more advanced toolkit. This species was also the first to migrate out of Africa, spreading to Asia, Europe, and eventually to the far reaches of the globe. The migration of Homo erectus was a pivotal event in human history, marking the beginning of our global dominance. This species was highly adaptable, able to survive in a variety of environments, from the savannas of Africa to the colder climates of Europe and Asia. Homo erectus learned to control fire, a crucial development that provided warmth, protection from predators, and a way to cook food. The control of fire was a major technological advancement for Homo erectus, allowing them to thrive in new and challenging environments. It also had a profound impact on their social interactions, bringing them together around the hearth and fostering a sense of community. Section 7. The power of innovation, tools and technologies. As hominids evolved, so too did their tool-making abilities. Early hominids used simple tools such as sharpened stones and sticks for tasks like scavenging meat and digging for roots. Over time, their tools became more sophisticated, reflecting their growing intelligence and problem-solving skills. One of the most significant technological advancements in human history was the development of the hand axe, a versatile tool that could be used for a variety of tasks, from butchering animals to shaping wood. The hand axe, which first appeared around 1.7 million years ago, is considered the first truly complex tool created by hominids. The development of increasingly sophisticated tools allowed hominids to exploit their environment more effectively, leading to greater success in hunting, gathering, and other essential activities. Tools became an extension of their bodies, enhancing their abilities and allowing them to overcome the challenges of their environment. Section 8. The Agricultural Revolution, Shaping the Land. For millions of years, humans lived as hunter-gatherers, relying on their skills and knowledge of the natural world to find food and resources. Around 10,000 years ago, a profound shift occurred in human history, the Agricultural Revolution. The Agricultural Revolution began in the Fertile Crescent, a region in the Middle East, where humans first domesticated plants and animals. This innovation allowed humans to settle in one place and cultivate crops, providing a more stable and predictable food supply. The domestication of animals, such as sheep, goats, and cattle, provided additional sources of food, labor, and materials. The Agricultural Revolution had a profound impact on human society. It led to the development of permanent settlements, which grew into villages, towns, and eventually, cities. The surplus of food and resources also led to specialization of labor and the development of social hierarchies. Section 9. The Industrial Age, a turning point. The Industrial Revolution, which began in the late 18th century, marked a turning point in human history, ushering in an era of unprecedented technological advancement and economic growth. Fueled by the invention of the steam engine and other groundbreaking technologies, the Industrial Revolution transformed human society, leading to mass production, factory work, and the growth of cities. The Industrial Revolution had a profound impact on the environment. The burning of fossil fuels, such as coal and oil, to power factories and transportation systems, led to a significant increase in greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to climate change. Industrial activities also polluted rivers, lakes, and the air, leading to widespread environmental degradation. Despite its negative consequences, the Industrial Revolution also led to significant improvements in human health and well-being. Advances in medicine, sanitation, and food production led to increased life expectancy and a decline in death rates from infectious diseases. Section 10. The Anthropocene, Our Footprint on Earth. The impact of human activity on the planet has become so significant that scientists have proposed a new geological epoch to mark our time on Earth, the Anthropocene. The Anthropocene, meaning the age of humans, is characterized by the pervasive influence of human activities on Earth's systems, from the atmosphere to the oceans to the biosphere. Human activities such as deforestation, mining, agriculture, and industrial processes have altered the planet's ecosystems on a massive scale. We have driven countless species to extinction, fragmented habitats, and polluted the air, water, and soil. Climate change, driven by our reliance on fossil fuels, is perhaps the most pressing environmental challenge of our time, threatening to disrupt global ecosystems and displace millions of people. The Anthropocene is a stark reminder of our responsibility to the planet. As the dominant species on Earth, we have a moral obligation to protect the environment and ensure the well-being of all living things. Section 11. A Legacy for the Future. From the extinction of the dinosaurs to the rise of humankind, the story of life on Earth is a tale of resilience, adaptation, and the interconnectedness of all living things. The extinction of the dinosaurs, while a tragedy for the species that perished, created opportunities for new forms of life to flourish, ultimately leading to the emergence of our own species. As we navigate the challenges of the Anthropocene, we must remember the lessons of the past. The Earth's ecosystems are fragile and can be irrevocably altered by human actions. We have the power to choose a different path, one that prioritizes sustainability, conservation, and the well-being of all life on Earth. The legacy we leave behind for future generations depends on the choices we make today. Let us choose wisely.